Hello. A variety of inhaler devices are available to treat lung conditions. This video will show you how to use your Novolizer Inhaler. If you use your inhaler correctly, you will get more of the medication into your lungs, giving you better control of your breathing problem. But if used incorrectly, you may have poor control of your condition, with the risk of side effects, such as a sore throat or mouth infection. Before using your Novolizer Inhaler for the first time, you must load a medication cartridge into the inhaler. Remove the lid of the inhaler by gently squeezing the bumpy ridges on both sides of the lid and pull forwards and up. Remove the cartridge from its sealed container and insert it into the inhaler with the counter facing towards the mouthpiece. Replace the lid of the inhaler by pushing down and backwards until it clicks into place. You should always sit upright or stand up when using your Novolizer Inhaler. Start by removing the protective cap from the mouthpiece by lightly squeezing the arrows on each side of the protective cap and pull. Hold the inhaler horizontally with the mouthpiece pointing towards you and the button pointing upwards. Press the button all of the way down and then release it. You'll hear a double click and the control window will turn from red to green, indicating that the inhaler is ready to use. If the control window does not turn green, you have not pressed the button firmly enough and you should try again. When you're ready, breathe out gently as far as you comfortably can, but not into the mouthpiece. Now, place the mouthpiece into your mouth and between your teeth, but don't bite down on it. Close your lips around the mouthpiece to form a tight seal. Make sure that the button is still pointing upwards. Breathe in through your mouth strongly and deeply. You will hear the inhaler click, which indicates that you're using the inhaler correctly, but keep breathing in as far as you can after the click to ensure you get the full dose. Remove the inhaler from your mouth while holding your breath for up to 10 seconds, or for as long as is comfortable. Breathe out slowly, but not into the mouthpiece. If the control window is still green, you've not taken the full dose of medicine, and you need to breathe out before inhaling strongly and deeply through the mouthpiece again. The control window will turn red when you've inhaled the full dose of medicine. If your doctor has told you to take 2 doses of medication, repeat the process, remembering to press the button firmly before you begin. When you're finished, replace the protective cap over the mouthpiece. If your inhaler contains a steroid, brush your teeth or rinse your mouth with water and spit it out after every use to prevent mouth infections. Ask your pharmacist if you're unsure whether your inhaler contains a steroid. There is a counter on the inhaler showing the number of doses remaining. The number decreases by intervals of 10. When a red striped band appears, this means you are nearing your last dose and you should reorder a new cartridge from your GP. After inhaling the last dose, you must insert a new cartridge. Cartridges should be replaced within 6 months of insertion. You should replace your Novolizer after you've used it with 10 cartridges. Clean your Novolizer regularly, or at least whenever you change the cartridge. Remove the protective cap and twist the mouthpiece anti-clockwise to remove. Turn the inhaler upside down. Loosen the dispensing slide. Tap the inhaler lightly to remove any remaining powder. Wipe the inside and outside of the mouthpiece with a clean, dry, lint-free cloth to remove any powder residue. Please do not wash your Novolizer Inhaler with water. If you're unsure about how to use your Novolizer Inhaler or have any other questions, speak to your GP, practice nurse or pharmacist for assistance.